Yo, I got my first order just now. This one's gonna be for Chick-fil-A. $10 going just under 5 miles. If I had to guess, it's not gonna be ready, but let's go inside at least. Thank you.
Have a great day.
You too. To be honest, I think today is just such a beautiful day that people are going to be making their own food. Finally got an order worth taking. This one's going to be $10 going just under 6 miles. This one is for Daydream Breakfast Burritos. This place has 2 kitchens, so I don't remember if this is the actual name of the restaurant.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Georgie's Garage and Grill, that's what it is. This one's the ghost kitchen. I just got my next order. This is gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $8 and some change, going 2 miles, 3 items. Two of these. Got my next order lined up right after this. This is gonna be for Chick-fil-A. $10 and some change, going under 6 miles.
The straws in the bag.
Thank you. Just got my next order. This is going to be a shop and deliver for PetSmart. $13 going just under 7 miles, 3 items.
He's black.
I'm like 90% sure it's going to be this one that's out of stock. They do have substitutes for the medium though, so let's go ahead and get them that one instead. This, I think. Okay, didn't fall over. Just drove by it, but I got this order for Kitchen Table Cafe. This one is $8.25 going 3 miles.
It should be about like 10 minutes, 10 minutes, maybe a little less.
All right, it's slow, but it's not slow enough to be waiting 10 minutes. As I was about to leave, I got an order for Muchas Gracias, which is right next door, and it was ready. This is $7.50 going 2 miles. Got my next order as I was dropping that one off. It's gonna be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $14 going 3 miles, 8 items. going back to that Safeway right after this for another shop and deliver. This one's gonna be $12 going 3 miles, 4 items. Or was it $12 going 4 miles, 3 items? One of the two. Is that this? Coconut caramel crunch. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'll be right here.
I think it's about that time. The orders today are just not it, so no point in wasting my time. I'm wasting my gas. So I'm just gonna call it here. I forgot to film the rest of the outro, but current time is 11:09. Current total is 82, and I still have 3 Uber tips yet to come in, so maybe around 95-ish. They were shopping orders, so there's a chance that they could be a little bit more than that. If we're lucky, $100-ish. But anyways, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.